Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Patrol, stock number 6287. This ran from the 2nd 2016. Current shape has a Y62 5.6 litre V8 petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the Y62 5.6 litre V8 petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. The front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.